Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to change the date of birth on your Google account. Maybe you entered the wrong date during sign-up, or just want to update it. Here's how to do it. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to edit. Now on the left-hand side, click on Personal Info. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a section called Basic Info. Under that, look for Birthday. Click on it and you'll see your current date of birth. Now click the pencil icon to edit it. Go ahead and enter your new birth date. Birthdate can change the day, month, or year as needed. Once you're done, scroll down and click Save. Google might ask you to verify your account by entering your password again. This is just for security. And that's it. Your birthday is now updated on your Google account. A quick note, if your account is set to be under age 13, it might be restricted. So make sure the age reflects at least 13 plus to keep full access. And that's how you change your date of birth in Google. If this video helped you out, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.